Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by nailing down prerequisites and taking the first hardware actions. Start with power. Arrange a dedicated 20A circuit and a UPS sized for 5-10 minutes to allow graceful shutdowns. Next, choose server form factor, 1U for density, tower, or small 12U rack for quieter operation, because noise and space matter. Finally, set up a basic network. Gigabit switch, CAT6 runs, and a separate management VLAN. This keeps control traffic isolated and simplifies later automation. Once hardware is mounted and power is stable, install your software stack. You should pick a bare metal hypervisor or Linux with ZFS, depending on whether you need virtualization versus resilient storage. Set boot drives and confirm RAID or ZFS pools. Configure networking. Assign DHCP reservations, internal DNS, and an NTP server so logs and certificates stay sane. Make sensible firewall rules and management VLAN access. Once done, validate connectivity between management host and all nodes before provisioning VMs or containers. You finish by hardening, automating, and verifying. Implement automation with Ansible or Terraform so future rebuilds are quick and consistent. Store secrets securely. Deploy monitoring and alerts for temperature, disk health, and UPS status so you catch issues early. Schedule backups and test restores. Off-site copies prevent catastrophic loss. If something goes wrong, check power and network first. Verify UPS output and switch connectivity. Then consult logs, reseat cables, and rollback via your automation tooling for a controlled recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.